I'm going to be showing you how to compare cars on cars.com. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So here's a clear step-by-step guide to compare cars side by side on cars.com. So the first thing you need to do is go to their official website. I'm going to be using Safari, but it's completely up to you what you choose. So just go ahead on tap here. And once you do so, we need to do is go to cars.com/research/compare. So this is cars.com's built-in feature where you can compare vehicles side by side instantly. Just wait for it to verify it. And once you're here, you scroll down and add your first car. Just go ahead on tap on make and you can just choose a make. You have BMW, you have Chevrolet, Dodge, Eagle, and many more. I'm going to be using Bentley. And then you can choose a model. So I'm going to be using Continental, and you have also a year. Just go ahead on tap here. I'm going to be using 2003, and now you can just add a second car to whom you're going to make the comparison. So I'm going to be comparing it to BMW and to a 128 model and a year of 2013. So now all you need to do is tap on see the comparison right here. And as you can see, this is a side by side. At first, you can see the consumer rating. So there's a high consumer rating for Bentley compared to BMW. You all can also see this engine type, and you have the horsepower right here, and all-wheel drive, seat capacity, and basic warranty. You can also check out the engines by just pressing on one of them if you want a more detailed view. So as you can see, this is how you compare cars on cars.com. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.